What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another YouTube video. Thank you so much for watching this one. If you want to, make sure to like down below and subscribe. Leave a comment if you have any questions. Today we are featuring my own vehicle. I just got back from vacation and the team did a full-blown colored PPF. The entire vehicle got completely stripped from all of the clear PPF on the exterior. Full body clear PPF was done a few years back, about 3 years ago, and we just put on KDX's Jungle Sunset Forest, and this one changes from a satin green to like a satin almost cyan blue, and then a little bit of like a purple hue, different ways you look at it, and the color changes throughout the entire exterior, which is awesome. So the team did a fantastic job, and I wanted to showcase some of our awesome work on my own vehicle. And so when you come in for a consultation and when you come in to get work done, you can actually see a vehicle that has full body colored PPF on it from the get-go, and that's been on for a while. So we wanted to do this now, also during the middle of winter, to showcase that this film is rugged, the glue is rugged, and when you go around the vehicle, you can actually look around all the cracks and crevices, and it is completely professionally done. So that's kind of the quality of work that we provide, and the satin just looks awesome. I needed a little bit of a change as well. The white in gloss with gloss PPF was getting old for me. So team did an excellent job. We wrapped every single exterior piece. We also did vinyl inlays on almost every single piece where you would see white, so that way you don't see any white. So this is one of the absolute best complete color changes because we do lay a strip of vinyl along some of those smaller edges before we put the film on. One of the coolest parts, and if you look at any Model Y that has a color change, is going to be down here, actually inside of this fog light here. So inside of this fog light, you can see it's actually been done with some vinyl, and that is super, super cool as well because most Model Ys don't have that. So the clear PPF is off, the color is in, and this has a 10-year warranty on all of the colored film. So I'm super excited to have it on, and it looks fantastic, and yeah, it's came out awesome. So if you have any questions or you want to get your vehicle color PPF, just let us know. We'd be more than happy to quote it out for you. And just so you know, we do everything consultation based. So if you reach out to us and you want to get something done, you're gonna come in for a consultation, and we'll walk you through the shop. We'll show you the process. We'll go over some different colors, or depending on what service, we'll go over different options and packages with you and your vehicle specifically to make it super personable. And then from there, we can choose what we want done and get you on the schedule. At any given time, we're about 2 to 5 weeks backed up. It just depends on the season. Right now, we're about that 2 to 3 week backed up mark. But in the summertime, spring and summertime, it gets into sometimes a month and a few days. So just make sure that if you get a new vehicle that you're reaching out before the new vehicle comes so that you can get on the schedule in the meantime. But yeah, I'd be super honored to have you come in for a consultation and see what we have to offer. If you want to give us a call, you can call us anytime, 219-533-8783, or you can visit us on our website, www.attn2detail.info, or send us a text as well. Again, phone number 219-533-8783. I hope to see you here soon for a consultation, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, give us a call, text, submit an email form, or we'll see you on the next video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks so much. Aaron with Attention to Detail, Luxury Detailing in Highland, Indiana, out.